I like this thing. Why you dey do?
Because now by force to work, I no want work today. Waiting, now by force to do anything.
The way they take pursue us come here today.
No, they do anything. We no get any work to do today. Guest self we no get.
We no
nothing
get
we get.
You see this today where we dey so. Nothing. There's not the agbari is of.
Now make us wear pajamas come like this. Say, make
una for no say to. Take us as we are. This morning time, we don't have anything to give you. I'm telling you, no gist, no anything. Maybe if we go break, they can whisper gist in our ear. But for now, as all of us dey like this.
But anyhow, we go welcome. We go welcome.
No, they misbehave like this.
We go welcome on top the show. Hope say una sleep well. We will not sleep well. We go meeting. And then at the meeting now we just come back from like this. You know, Mayowa.
My brother, forget to all these kind of meetings. The people they hit high tension these days.
Lead the meeting. Me, I dodge the poll and everything. So that make us not to sleep well. But they welcome everybody on top Padi Padi show today. I never know how they could take me.
Anyway, welcome everybody to Padi Padi this beautiful gorgeous morning. And the three salutes they given a one by each. I must say, I just the rap for my mind. I don't see I be presenter. Yeah, Joe. Hey, see as I they tear the thing they go. I just they.
They talk now. Why they do anyhow?
We'll just take one short video now. When we come back from that video, we go can't get ourselves because just one short video just now. Will they come? This thing, what will they tell you now? They not go carry this thing come out now. Okay. They not go come out now.
No, they don't forget say we don't want to work today.
The kind of miracle we God do for this man, he never do it before for anybody for this life. And they tell you something.
Imagine
just to drop it offering back.
Imagine that your popsy with that. Only your day for back, so your papa did dance acrobatic.
Nasa go just day.
Hey, daddy.
Nasa go just
day. But forget Mayowa. I tell you something. Look, who you are ashamed for, God is not ashamed of it.
My brother.
God is accepting. Now the dance where David dance.
See this dance where the wife thought say David, you are a madman.
You understand?
Now
God
say, you don't know what God have done me.
So Mona leave that man who make it a groove in groove. But that dance not be small joke.
Me Willie talking about gist. Hello, I dey come.
Hallelujah.
This gist where they tell us just na. You know like
hallelujah. Hallelujah.
There's wait now.
Sorry.
For inside one place, inside the London place, they say that one, you know me, I'm a gendered girl. I bring my gist from the London place. They say one man, his name is Kit Sylvester.
Kit Sylvester?
Yes, Kit Sylvester. And he's 35 years old Kit. And then in girlfriend, living girlfriend, they say her name is Jonah Raymond. Jonah. Say Jonah, then carry their 7-month-old pikin, go rob. Then carry the pikin, go rob. Now they call why they laugh?
I no go feel laugh again.
See as them be.
They be like robbery.
See as them be.
Oh, blood.
Then carry their pikin, go rob. You can't know wetin come they pay me busy. Why you go carry 7-month-old pikin? Anything what you want to do am by yourself. Leave the child out. That's why they say they want put her for child cruelty.
Cruelty.
Yes, because that offense have even big past the attempted, because they don't catch them for attempted robbery 4 times.
And so they don't try.
Yes.
4 times.
Yes.
So this last one, they can't carry Peking join.
They can't carry Peking.
So
All the 4 times they carry their Peking. Now this one, I then grab them. Say
what? They don't arrest the Peking join.
My brother.
You
no,
say
they don't carry the Peking go the children's service.
No, because the Peking is supposed to go for this thing. They're supposed to open prison for the Peking too. It accomplice too. Of course. What's wrong to you?
I know.
Forget that thing. That Peking is supposed to go in own prison.
Now, so they wake up now and they worry you because they think this thing.
I mean, I know I see the.
You know they think this thing.
But that Peking, maybe they can say maybe it will bring good luck for them.
No, they carry and say so that when you see them, you know go suspect them. Say possibility they say they want
that one. Now you go no high class robbery. You understand? Then they plan their thing where. You know this Peking go come
but
this
wait,
Peking.
you know some people when they look this TV now. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I'm a fine girl. I'm telling you something now. Maybe make I just 1 minute to just feel myself. You know. I feel myself.
So now I see you pause just to tell me be this.
Yeah.
So feel yourself.
Yeah.
So you know what they do like this.
Yeah.
You are pleasing yourself.
Whatever.
Don't they please yourself?
Whatever.
You know what you both call that thing?
What? You're beautiful. All right, talking about that level. Now, you know, say people don't take. And I tell you this thing, say the way people they take craze for this country, now go to say a small thing. Very soon.
Too much stress.
It's terrible. This one not be stress, now foolishness. They call this kind of thing. Now, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, what then they call NSCDC, they don't grab 140-year-old man.
That NSDC is,
yes.
We no get website.
I don't understand why this man go impregnate mad 16-year-old girl.
16 years old. Now woman be that now.
Impregnate 16-year-old. No be assuming na even normal girl. We go say okay. We dey wear this thing. She dey crazy. She's a mad girl. The mentally deranged girl.
The guy go torchlight Chris.
Yes. Girl. You have got to go and do a.
Na juju.
Not be anything. The man say he say he not be him. He know the girl said for the parents' house because you know all those kind of girls will be say they don't craze, but they still they take care of them for house. She don't born twins.
Who can't they give away born twins?
No. That impregnated the man impregnate them. She don't born twins.
Oh, now the man impregnating.
Carry the twins come out.
Blood of God.
And that girl with the mentally unstable, psychologically imbalanced human being. He went to go and belay him.
Maybe na inspect. When they see girls the way they craze, you understand? You can say, wow, she hot. You know, that girl is hot. You know, they check and say, man, I like the way she craze. You know.
Come, why you they do this thing offside? You, all your contribution, you just the offside.
Mayowa forget different people and their own thing where they like for person. You understand? Some people they like bad odor.
Waiting be your
wait, I don't want to tell you because you will try them. Some people like bad odor. If you come with bad odor like this, wow, you don't do a boss there, dada. Some people there, man, you must get bad mouth odor or body odor. Some day they like war people. If you ugly like this, oh, very handsome, you're very wonderful. Some day they like hair everywhere. You must get beer here, there, this way. You understand? They use the scratch recharge card. You get me now? So different people. So this guy own type of love, now love for crazy people. What I say now? You understand? Like you now, me when they follow the anchor this thing. Are we normal? We are not normal. So to they do this thing alongside with you.
I woke up like this. I need to feel myself again. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Me will it?
Give us the other gist, Jerry.
Okay, so make me just the talk. Me interpreter. Ma just the talk. Ma just the talk.
Today work. I know what I do now. Now force me come here. So if I say make you they give the gist, they go. They give the gist, they go.
Keep quiet. Make I. For inside Lagos now, we have to be careful, especially if you enter inside marketplace, because things can just happen. Everybody will just do, hey, things will just happen in different places. Because you know, say 2 people now we are fighting. They say one is another one is aye. It's a collision of Curtis something. They can say this particular boy's name is Ahmed, aka Bobo. AKA Bobo, say they shoot am one time. Shoot am one shooting. They come massacre around with masjid. They massacre his body part. They say because some weeks back, for inside the area of Shomolu, now in this one been happen. Yeah, for Shomolu, for inside Johnson Street, now it may happen for Shomolu. They say some weeks back, he been lead the Aye people to go and do a gbege called something against the Aye people. So it's a retaliation of a Curtis war.
It's retaliation. You see, when I would advise young people every time, they tell them, say, look up to God. You understand me now? You go around doing evil and evil you are coming back to you. You understand? You do where for person where they come back to you. You are doing good for somebody, good will come back to you. You understand me now? You understand? You shoot somebody, you piss on somebody, you match somebody, it will come back to you. You understand me now? So at the end of the day, we are sorry for the boy life. Only saying that the family now they cry for. Eh? It's not good now. I don't know. It's not good. Like, why they talk to them? I don't know. Eh? They keep people like this. See, yesterday now, we talk to some people now, keep person because we want to reduce world population. Eh? How can we continue like this? In this world? I mean, you are provoking me.
Ogbolor, sorry.
I want to come out.
Ogbolor, sorry.
No, now.
Sorry, don't be angry. Sorry.
You have killed a generation like this now. You want full generation now. Don't come out for this whole planet.
Sorry.
What is all this one now?
Sorry now.
You just be trying to be clean yourself.
Ogbolor,
Children who give birth to tomorrow?
Sorry.
No, they sorry me anything.
Don't be sorry.
Why are you crying?
Because you don't want to sorry.
My cry is making you cry?
Yes.
Oh yeah, sorry, I no cry again.
Sorry.
But they provoke me.
Sorry now.
Sorry.
The person knows to bring gist. I bring gist.
Oh yeah, let's say we'll take break for here now. Make we for drink something to calm the body down because like this, I not just like.
Let's carry this thing come out now.
Waka come out for this place.
No go now, sorry.
What kind of nonsense?
We stand up with you. This is a standing moment. Stand up with you.
Viewers at home, the way everything take be now, let's say we'll go on small break. By the time we come back, we'll continue with the rest of the gist. At the verse for here now.
I woke up like this.
All these people.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
Woke up like this.
If now you, how you want to sleep with this kind of snoring? Eh?
She listen some snoring. They feel they move you for chair, for bed. You just take a change position. And that particular one now, this one happen real low. Now they do now.
Only and they get all these kind of friends. All this mismanagement of mental case friends. Now only they get them.
He tell me say that guy is not. He just wake up just himself for toilet. He can't even wonder how they reach toilet. He can't enter again, sleep. He can't himself for balcony again. Person is not the shifter. They move like generator. They shifter, they move they shifter, they move
All right, more photos coming up with the entire laugh, the laugh matter. No time to dull. I woke up like this.
I beg, make we see picture or video to make everybody laugh.
This picture.
This guy again. This one, they marry spirit wife.
You know say no be spirit wife. You know say when all those girls from some certain part of this town, yes, where we know, I know one caller.
Yes.
When you say I no do again, you must do. You know some girls from that particular area of the town, in all those places there.
But sister, Mayowa, this is called faith.
Faith
is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen.
My brother.
The things the way they see. So the guy go court. He say, I don't get wife,
but I have faith.
I can color be, the invisible something.
I'm telling you something.
So I color be.
But we don't know whether she did there with all her family members. Who knows?
Now they talk.
Who knows?
Maybe na spirit wife and spirit family.
On to the next.
Wow.
Entrance only. Do not enter. Entrance only.
Do not enter.
Do not enter. It just be like baby say, babies only, not for kids.
That's good one.
Yes, now babies only, not for kids.
Not for kids.
I'm smart, you know.
Which can confuse people with this one?
I don't understand.
Entrance like this, they're not supposed to for entrance to heaven.
12 hours of labor. I'm going to hear about this for the rest of my life. You know, not true.
You don't do labor before.
My brother, make I give you juice. This one no be labor. Now my mama.
Just me hon.
Now my mama.
So I'm home alone.
This entrance, I will hear it for the rest of my life. Make producer post this thing first. You know, say my brother at that time then do as then. So I lost my elder brother. Now that time my mom's taking of me. Any small thing when I dey grow. Mayowa, you know, say I don't plan, say I no born again. But because I need God to give me pikin to calm me down. But your brother where I lost, now you are born you. You are a special child. Since then, any small thing when I do, once you just start with Mayowa, I say, hey.
Oh, your mama always remind you that one. They always remind me, say, me, I no gree come out for belle. They say, different things they try. They say, me now twins.
This thing.
My own come out. That first one, she come out.
Come out.
Before me, I come out 4 hours. Then they do everything. They give everything, make my mama nothing. When I come out, I no gree cry.
Maybe then I will
as I come out, boom, I heard like this. He said, cry. Cry. To make my mama mind sweet. I thought, do.
Maybe then I will be as we be.
I know the word where they come. The word there, wahala full the country.
All right, I don't know whether we get video, we still will go small break. Anyone, which of the one way we did? Because today work. I know at all, I'm bad part. This is what we tell you now. How we get video?
Say video something. I woke up like this.
My friend, will you sit down?
OMG, it's oh my God.
Oh my God. I don't wanna go there, pass on me jibola. I don't wanna go there, la be me pass my money. I don't wanna go there, I need me jibola. I don't wanna go there, I need me pass my money. Show the time meta, loju elegba. Dating bell or jota. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna go there. When the rich Baba wants you, and your Baba can do nothing for you. Hey, this girl said loyal. This girl said loyal. This girl said loyal. This girl said loyal. Say I found my salary, buy a new man. She still leave me come out you, cause I don't get more dough. This girl said loyal. You see girls, they can lie, 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 lie. This girl said loyal. I wasn't born last night. Won't be me like no. I wasn't born last night. Won't let them be me like no. Dorima, if you don't judge me, I don't judge you. Please don't judge me, Daddy, please don't judge me. Everybody, please don't judge me. Everybody, come and join me. Come and join me. Okay, if you don't judge me, I don't judge you. Simply because you feel they ugly. If you don't judge me,
OMG, it's oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes, so that guy funny not be like, yeah, my name na Lucky Child, and I welcome on to Padi Padi. And also now the surprise now, sir, and I be see 2 people here. How come it be this one we did not see before? They still day. This one where they see. If now look where Mayowa is now invisible. If now look where again Ogbolor is invisible. But then 2 they bring me out. Honestly spoken. You see that short man I see for that video won't make me young one matter. I there for church where pastor say make we pray for what we want for marriage. Singles program. Come see prayer. Different men they pray. One guy holla, oh Lord, I don't want poverty for marriage. One guy holla, oh Lord, I don't want sickness for marriage. Different kind of prayer. But the one way shock me. Kai. Now the prayer I want to find girl come they pray. Come see prayer. In a sexy way. Oh Lord. I don't want marry short man. Any short man where they disturb me. Shift. Meanwhile, one short guy there near this babe. Now the guy, now she won't fall the guy hand. Now the guy too, holla in your prayer. Sharp guy. Oh Lord. I know I be short man. But I get money. I be millionaire. 5 estate for Dubai. 5 estate for England. And I get 50 million for account. Oh Lord, now tall girl I want marry. When this girl hear prayer, then she change prayer in a sexy way. Oh Lord, is that your voice? Hi, who can question your authority? I was only joking, no. In fact, I will marry this man. All I need to do is to ignore the height and concentrate on the content. Let them know, say, even when you short, if you hold side, you be big boy. Honestly spoken. Yeah, so as they here so now, as the day, this invisible Mayowa go soon come, invisible Ogbolor go soon come. Padi Padi still on point. Honestly spoken.
When I see the small magic, we just say that small magic, take and go.
We produce another human being.
You understand me now?
We are a human beings producer.
Honestly.
All right, we hope so everybody don't enjoy every on top of the show today. Lucky child.
Brotherly,
how far now?
thank you,
At the
God.
ministry.
The ministry is always on
Seriously,
the ministry.
that gist where you give just now, not be lie. Not be lie. Some of our ladies, some of our ladies.
Okay.
You know, some of our ladies, you get. My sister,
Oh,
brother. Hey.
I never marry short man.
Oh, Lord.
I never marry short man.
Man with money, whether short or tall, fat, skinny, long, tall, short, bleep, plump, 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 whatever. We want it in my life as long as there's money involved.
Okay.
Ogbolor,
All
you know,
right.
say, as you did so, I don't want to know whether you still get gist.
Wetin?
I don't want to know whether you still get joke.
Yeah, I won't go buy
Me
one,
personally, I'm going back to sleep. Bye.
I don't hold my pillow for hand already. Now back
Bye-bye.
to sleep this.
For now,
Come, see.
vanish. When I meet just off floor now.
Now fly, you won't fly. What's wrong with you? All right,
Bye-bye,
country
Joe.
people, we go say bye-bye for now. We'll see you now tomorrow on top Padi Padi show.
Ah, Twitter.
For Twitter, we ask one question for Twitter. Say, if your partner go do for your head, say make you make money, you go happy, I mean you go happy.
Simple.
So run, go Wazobia Padi Padi, at Wazobia Padi Padi on top Twitter. Give us your own story on top the whole level.
go read them out
We go read them out tomorrow. We'll let you know
Peace,
every
yo.
every. The
I
peace,
woke up
you
like
understand?
this.
Oh yeah, Mayowa,
woke
go
up
help me
like
buy
this.
ewa going. 100 naira.
I go,
Bread.
which kind disrespect be this?
Where they worry you now?
Which kind
My
disrespect be
happy,
this?
my
You go thief my money.
Which kind disrespect?
Right, somebody.
I'll be back for
My
you.
friend sit down there, I never come out.
Una
You
buy
want, I never come
your-
out. You want come
I
out.
woke up like this.